Hi student. So let's continue with our rational number and let's do the quick revision of what we have learned in the last class. So if you remember, in the last class we have learned about that 0 is the additive identity, 1 is called multiplicative identity, okay, 3 by 4 if I give you, then in that case your minus 3 by 4 is called additive inverse. Next, if I give you 2 by 5, then 5 by 2, which is upside down of this number, is called multiplicative identity, or sometimes we call it as reciprocal. So try to remember these 4 things which we have learned in the last class, because we are going to use this in our exercise. So let's quickly go and learn in the exercise 1.2. So here today we'll be learning about question 1, 2, and then after that number 5. The number 3 will be doing later in the later class. Okay, so in the fill in the blanks, the value of 0 into 3 by 4 is, if you multiply anything by 0, you will always get 0. Okay, so that means it is 0 there. Then after that, for any rational number, if a into 1 is equal to a, that means 1 is called there. Yes, just now I have give you that revision. 1 is called what? Multiplicative. Okay, remember this is multiplicative what? Identity. Okay, so this is called multiplicative identity. So you can write that one. Then after that, in the number C, rational number are not commutative under. Yes, if you remember, in the last class also I talk about the commutative property. There I told you only addition and multiplication are commutative. That means which is not commutative are subtraction, and another one is called division. Okay, so your division is not commutative. I hope you remember this. Next, in the number D, yes, let's have a look. What property is this? 3 into 5, or 3 by 5 into 8 by 7 equal 8 by 7 into 3 by 5. That means we just change the order. So this is again the same thing, only commutative property. Okay, that means if you change the order, you will get the same result. So in that case, this is actually called commutative property. Okay, this is commutative property, but it is a commutative property for what? For actually multiplication. Okay, next, in the number E we get here, whole number have the number dash in addition to natural number. So remember, natural number are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. But what is another number which will make whole number? So you know this, it is 0. So if you put 0 along with 1, 2, 3, then this is called whole number. All right, so this is about fill in the blanks. You can copy this. Next, let's go with the number 2, true and false. Here we are going to do only the number A, number D, and the number E, because B and C we are not doing with the associative property, so we will not be doing right now that one. So reciprocal of a number is the same as its multiplicative inverse. Yes, just now I told you multiplicative inverse is also called reciprocal. So that means this is true. Okay, then that rational number cannot be represented on a number line. No, that is wrong. Okay, you have learned that rational number can be represented on a number line, which we have done also. Okay, so this is actually false because it can be represented. Okay, so they said cannot, so that means it is false. In this case, 4 minus 2 is 2. Of course, minus 2 is the additive inverse of 4. Actually, it is wrong. Minus 2, it is the additive inverse of 2, not of 4. So again, this is also false. Okay, so you can copy these 1 and 2 questions, whatever I have done now. Okay, again, let's quickly go with the question number 5. In this question also, I'll be doing for you only A, B, C, and D. All right, this is a short questions. The other number from E till J, I want you to try it out. Okay, and you can show me later on. So additive inverse of minus 2 by 3. So what is additive inverse? Okay, if you remember, if it is a plus, you get minus. If it is a minus, it should be plus. So the answer for this is nothing but 2 by 3, because here it is minus, so here should be plus. Okay, multiplicative inverse of 4 by 3. Remember, multiplicative inverse upside down. So if it is 4 by 3, your answer should be 3 by 4. Okay, your answer should be 3 by 4. That means upside down of 4 by 3 is 3 by 4. Next, reciprocal of 7 by 9. Same, it is the same, that one only. Okay, so here also 9 by 7, because reciprocal is also called multiplicative inverse. Next, additive inverse of 4 by 9. So remember, if you get plus, then it should be minus. So in that case, it is minus 4 by 9. The result is minus 4 by 9. So I hope you get the idea. Now you can try by yourself E, F, G, H, I, and J. Okay, you have to do this one, and I will tell you how you will submit to me this homework. I'll tell you later on, but you have to do it and copy down on your that means classwork copy and also your homework copy. All right then guys, I will see you.